Derek's like, who is this guy?
Answer the radio. On time 200. I have your dispatch under hostage. I need you to come to this location right now.
He's staring at the radio.
What is this?
Come on.
Just like you, orange shirt, let's go.
You're just okay with me being held hostage, buddy?
Yeah, there go.
Good.
This is dispatch.
He's saying there's 2 in custody.
Oh.
Like, I have 3 of your people in custody.
I have 3 people in custody.
They're so confused.
My name is Sanchez.
Tell them to get in here now. Son. Get in here now. I'm gonna start killing hostages.
Get in here now. Do not like to wait. I will start killing hostages.
Oh God.
Only 100.
I thought it was 200.
Only 200.
Only 200.
Only 200.
Get in
So
here
we're
now.
gonna be held
Got
hostage.
10.
9, 8, 7,
Oh God, I'm gonna die.
5, 4, 3.
Stay. Stay.
You're really testing my patience. Oh, these guys. Hey, put the gun. I got 3. I'm not standing.
Stand up! Stand up!
Hey, I'm not standing.
Stand up.
2 step back.
Yeah.
I got 3 people.
Stand up! Hey,
Just step back. Hey, quit with the yelling, man. I got a headache. I don't want to blow one of their brains out.
Where's your gun?
I got the gun right here, man. Put your gun down.
Oh, we can't put our guns down.
Why? Okay, you know what? I don't like you. I call the other people. Maybe they can negotiate. Einstein 100. Stay out the radio. You stay out there. You are Einstein 200. Einstein 100. I dispatch. You don't know how. Come to the dispatch room. I have your 3 hostages. Hey, quit moving. Stop moving. You know I have good shots. I have good shots. You suck. Oh, you laugh. You think it's funny, huh? Keep looking at him and blow your brains out. Hurry up, I'm gonna find 100.
Yeah, 10 seconds.
What do you want?
I want your other people. Y'all know how to negotiate. Where's your backup?
What do you want? What do you want to negotiate?
Oh, yeah. You had your chance. Oh, hey, don't go too far over there. Oh, good. Now you have a great muzzle between these 2. Congratulations. Gonna make it fun. Shoot one of the cops, whichever one you don't like. Or I blow your brains
Don't
out.
put your finger on the trigger. You're not putting your
Point
finger
the
on the trigger.
gun towards one of them.
You're not putting your finger on
Point
the
it. Point it.
trigger. Gun down.
You're dead, Munoz. You're dead.
Bang.
You're dead.
Bang, bang, bang.
Right at you.
Take the shot.
Oh,
Take
he,
the shot.
Bang!
Bang.
All right.
Oh.
You
Can't
let your
win.
partner die. Sit there and let your partner die.
There, guys. I didn't hear a bang.
what?
I didn't say bang.
Oh.
She didn't say bang.
Bro, all I said was Derek's dead.
I mean, Derek says, I said bang and then bang and then bang. Can't
Don't argue with me.
Yeah, don't argue with
You
me.
don't argue with me. Got me? Right?
Arguing with Mr. Burns
You're
gets
gonna
you
wait to hear a
nowhere.
bang? You're not gonna hear a bang. Are you?
He's gonna be dead.
Right?
Gonna be dead.
You're gonna be dead. Somebody puts a gun at you, what do? You shoot.
Ew.
Am I right? Anybody disagree with that?
No,
Anybody
sir.
wanna argue with that?
No, sir.
Okay. They point a gun at your partner, they point a gun at anybody, you shoot them. Right? Right? So why would we hesitate, boys? 4 of you.
Because it's a hostage.
He didn't really have a shot.
I mean,
Does he?
that's a pretty big opening. I'm not gonna lie.
That's a big opening.
Yeah.
Get your laser.
I had a better shot.
You had a perfect shot.
Yep.
You had a perfect shot. And you hesitated. 1 year principles of law, W.